Whether you're coding in Python, C++, or JavaScript, or exploring AI and machine learning, having the right laptop can supercharge your productivity. I believe that finding the right machine is key to unlocking your potential as a programmer. And today I'm here to help you do just that. Buckle up, because I'm about to take you on a journey through my top picks for the best programming laptops of this year. Let's jump right in, starting with the Acer Swift Go 14, which I believe is the best budget laptop for programming in 2024. If you're looking for something that delivers power without breaking the bank, this one's for you. The Swift Go 14 may come at a lower price point, but it doesn't skimp on performance. It's equipped with Intel's Core i7 1355U processor, which offers more than enough muscle for most coding tasks. I've personally found that its 16 gigs of LPDDR5 RAM and 512 gigs of SSD storage combo keeps things running smoothly, even with multiple IDEs, browsers, and terminals open. And let's talk about that 14-inch Full HD Plus screen with 100% RGB color coverage. Not only does it look sharp, but it also provides crisp visuals, which I believe is essential when debugging code or working on front-end design. Plus, this thing is lightweight, perfect if you're someone who likes to work on the go. Honestly, if you're just starting out as a developer or need a reliable, affordable workhorse, the Acer Swift Go 14 should be on your radar. Next up is the Apple MacBook Air M2, hands down the best lightweight option for programmers in 2024. This ultra-portable laptop is not only stylish, but it also delivers fantastic performance with Apple's M2 chip. With its 13.6-inch Liquid Retina display, you get stunning clarity and color accuracy, which is perfect for both coding and creative tasks. The fanless design keeps things whisper quiet, so you can focus on your projects without distractions. And don't worry about the performance. The M2 chip can handle heavy-duty programming tasks, whether you're working on machine learning algorithms or web development projects. I know some of you may be wondering, is it really powerful enough for serious development? Absolutely. I believe the MacBook Air M2 strikes the perfect balance between power and portability. Plus, with its all-day battery life, you won't be hunting for an outlet anytime soon. Now, if you want the flexibility of a tablet and a laptop, the Microsoft Surface Pro 9 takes the cake as the best two-in-one option. This device is a true hybrid, perfect for developers who like versatility. Powered by Intel's 12th generation core processors, the Surface Pro 9 can handle coding tasks effortlessly, from front-end design to full-stack development. It also boasts an incredible PixelSense Flow touchscreen display, offering vibrant visuals and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. And don't forget about the Surface Pen compatibility, which can be a game changer for note-taking and sketching out quick app ideas. The ability to flip between laptop mode and tablet mode is great for productivity, and the thin, lightweight design means you can code anywhere, whether it's at a cafe or in your office. I believe the Surface Pro 9 is one of the most flexible and stylish devices for coding in 2024. It's the perfect companion for developers who want it all. Now we've got something for those of you who need a powerhouse machine. Meet the ASUS ROG Strix G17, a high-end laptop for programming that is overkill in the best way possible. This laptop is packed with an AMD Ryzen 9 7945HX processor, 32 gigs of RAM, and an NVIDIA RTX 4070 GPU, making it an absolute beast. If you're into game development, 3D modeling, or running complex simulations, this is the machine for you. I believe it's not just about raw power. The 17.3-inch QHD display with a 240Hz refresh rate ensures smooth visuals, whether you're debugging code or rendering 3D environments. With such robust specs, the ROG Strix G17 is ideal for developers working on resource-intensive applications. I've found that it handles multiple IDEs, virtual machines, and heavy multitasking with ease. Sure, it's on the bulkier side, but for the sheer power you're getting, it's worth the extra weight. If you want a laptop that feels like a desktop replacement, the ASUS ROG Strix G17 is the ultimate option for high-end programming in 2024. And finally, at the top of the list, we have the Apple MacBook Pro 14-inch M2 Pro Max. I believe this is the best laptop for programming overall in 2024. Whether you're into software development, machine learning, or app development, this laptop is built to handle it all with grace. With your choice of either the M2 Pro or M2 Max chip, the MacBook Pro 14 delivers insane performance. Its 14-inch Liquid Retina XDR display is breathtaking, perfect for long coding sessions where every pixel matters. Plus, with up to 64 gigs of unified memory, multitasking is a breeze. And let's not forget the connectivity options: 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, an HDMI port, and even an SD card slot, ensuring you have all the tools you need. The battery life is also stellar. You can code from sunup to sundown. In my opinion, the MacBook Pro 14 with the M2 Pro Max chip is an absolute beast for any programmer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.